Here is how you activate your Mashreq Neo Debit Card online in just one easy step. Once you receive your Mashreq Debit Card, log in into your Mashreq app, and on the dashboard you'll see the debit card right there ready to be activated. If you don't see your card activation section right away on your dashboard, don't worry. Simply click on the More button, which is located at the bottom right corner of your app. From there, all you have to do is tap on Card Control. Okay? Then select the card that you want to activate. If you're still with me, hit the like button and let us keep going. As you see on the screen, you will notice that your card is marked as inactive. All you have to do is simply tap on the Activate Card button. Then go ahead and input the expiry date of your debit card, that is the month and the year, and again click on Activate Card. To complete the process, you have to set your PIN. Go ahead and enter the PIN of your choice and confirm it by re-entering it in this section here. Now click on Set PIN in order for us to receive our OTP. Enter the OTP that will be sent to the number that is registered to your Mashreq app, and that is it. Your card has been successfully activated online. If you are looking for the best zero balance account in the United Arab Emirates, you wouldn't want to miss this video that is up next.